Welcome to our channel, FitFormulas TV. Today, we're diving into the essential tips for beginners on how to kickstart your gym journey the right way. Whether you're new to fitness or returning after a break, this video will set you on the path to success in just 2 to 3 minutes. First and foremost, let's talk about the importance of warming up. Before diving into your workout, it's crucial to start with a dynamic warm-up to increase blood flow and prepare your muscles. Simple movements like arm circles, leg swings, and light jogging can go a long way in preventing injuries and priming your body for exercise. Next, setting realistic goals is key. Define achievable goals based on your fitness level and desired outcomes. Whether you're aiming for weight loss, strength gain, or overall health improvement, having clear goals will keep you motivated and on track. When it comes to exercise, proper form should always be a top priority. Learn and prioritize correct exercise form to prevent injuries and maximize the effectiveness of your workouts. Focus on quality movements rather than lifting heavy weights initially to build a strong foundation. Starting with basic exercises is a great way to ease into your gym routine. Compound exercises that work multiple muscle groups, such as squats, push-ups, lunges, and rows, are excellent choices for beginners looking to build strength and endurance. Remember, gradual progression is key. Increase intensity, weight, or reps gradually over time to avoid burnout or injury. Listen to your body and rest when needed to prevent overtraining and promote recovery. Consistency is key in building a sustainable fitness routine. Aim for regular workouts, even if they're shorter sessions. Consistency builds habits and leads to progress over time. Don't forget to cool down and stretch after your workout. A proper cool-down and stretching routine aid in muscle recovery and flexibility, helping you prevent soreness and improve your overall performance. By following these essential tips, you'll be well on your way to a successful start in the gym. Remember, it's all about building a routine that works for you and staying committed to your goals. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and workouts on our channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with fellow beginners. Happy exercising!